What is the experiment?
STEM experiment.
Okay, STEM experiment. What is that in your hand?
Food color.
Okay, mix it in water. The food color is yellow. What is this? White flower. Okay, keep it in the colored water. We can place it near the window. Let us wait for 2 days and find what happened to the flower. There is a small change in the color. The white color has changed into yellow. And show the yellow color. Is it now yellow?
This is STEM experiment. Food color mixed with water. Actually, this is white flower. And white flower changed into yellow color. I conclude STEM carries water to all the parts of the plant. Colored water reaches the flower.
Show the flower. Okay, give me a clap.